Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really good. Today I am going to show you how to make this super soft, if you can see, gluten-free bread. It has no proofing required, no yeast is required, and the best part is it's gluten-free. So this one has been made with foxtail millet, and trust me, you guys will love the texture. It's so soft, it's so easy to make. So before I show you how you make this bread, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let me show you how you can make this bread. So first you need is foxtail millet. Make sure you wash it and then we are going to soak it in water 5 hours or overnight. It might give you a very pungent smell, but that is fine. So once it's soaked really well, then we'll use it the next day. After that, I've taken some milk, added vinegar, and then you can use plant-based milk also. Set it aside for 5 minutes. Then in another bowl, I took some flaxseed powder. I've added psyllium husk to it, and then I added water to it. Now you mix this really well. It will become like thick like jelly. So you have to wait till it becomes nice and thick. That is very important. After that is done, what we are going to do is, now the foxtail millet which we soaked, you remove it from the water, and then after that we are going to add it in the blender. I like blending it little by little. You can add everything also. You can add little bit of water if you feel, so that it mix really well, but it has to become like a dosa batter. That's how your foxtail millet should be, like a thick dosa batter. So after that we are going to grind it. It doesn't take too much time to make this, so that you can be sure. And then that's done. You can see, once in another bowl I'm going to take the milk and buttermilk that we set. Then we are going to add the husk to it. So husk, what it does, it absorbs all the water, and that's what is going to help you in making it become like a jelly. Flaxseed and husk both are a good combination for binding for your bread, so it's very important. Even in gluten-free cakes, flaxseed powder is very important. So now I've added my milk, I have added my husk and flaxseed. Now I'm adding the foxtail millet. So you can see it looks like a idli batter kind. So now we're going to add it into the bowl, and once that is done, now we're going to mix it. So make sure you mix it really well, so that everything is mixed really well. After that is done, what we are going to do, you can even add herbs, you can even add different flavoring in this bread, but this will not be like a thick batter. It's going to be very liquidy, so don't worry. Then I've added in this is a little bit of some flavoring, baking powder, baking soda. I've even added little jaggery powder just to give that sugar taste and make it sweeter. You can add any sugar of your choice. So I've added salt, a little bit of palm jaggery, baking powder, baking soda. Recipe is mentioned in the description, so you don't need to worry. In case you guys face any issues with the bread, please feel free to mention in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Also let me know which different bread recipe I should try, so it will help me which you guys want to watch next. So that is also will make my work easier, and it will help me to create new recipes. Now I am adding the entire batter in my baking tin. This is a 6 by 4 cake tin that I use. Make sure you always add parchment paper. That's very important because the bread sticks, so it will be very difficult to remove it. So I baked it at 180 degrees, and this in 30 minutes. You can see how soft the bread has come out, and trust me, it tastes amazing. So you don't need to worry about the texture, will it sink or something. Nothing will happen to this bread. And you can see this is after 1 day. So let it set properly, cool down, and after 1 day kept outside, the bread is still very soft. So you can see the bread is ready. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hope you follow for more videos.